all these white lies got me hypnotized.
This is the Xiaomi 15T, the lighter sibling in the series. With a slimmer face and thoughtful design, it stands as a refined option for those who want balance between style and practicality. I've been using it for the past couple of weeks, and over that time, it has proven smooth, reliable, and comfortable, delivering performance that feels far beyond expectations. Definitely, this is a high-end mid-range, not a super flagship, yet it has performed like a flagship. Okay, today we are gonna talk about all the features of Xiaomi 15T, and I will also share my honest opinion about this phone with you. Well, before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, let's start with the camera performance, cause the camera performance of Xiaomi 15T has really surprised me. The Xiaomi 15T carries a Leica triple setup, 50 megapixel main with OIS, 50 megapixel telephoto, and 12 megapixel ultra-wide. It also features a 32 megapixel front camera. Across focal lengths, HDR10+ video and Leica-tuned imaging ensure balanced tones, constant colors, and natural detail. Oh yeah, Xiaomi 15T, like its bigger brother Xiaomi 15T Pro, also comes with summilux lens from Leica. Portrait shots on Xiaomi 15T feel cinematic and polished. The Leica summilux lens works seamlessly with master portrait and Leica portrait modes, creating depth that looks natural and tones that remain steady across different lighting. Highlights stay under control, exposure feels well balanced, and color reproduction stays faithful to the scene. Edges around hair, skin, and clothing are kept crisp, while separation between subject and background feels convincing. Skin tones remain accurate and textures are preserved without looking harsh. Well, combined with smooth transitions from highlights to shadows, portraits from the Xiaomi 15T deliver a composed result that looks refined and ready straight out of the camera. Okay, selfies from the Xiaomi 15T focus on natural tones and steady exposure. The 32 megapixel front camera avoids overprocessing, keeping textures intact and colors lifelike. Even in mixed light, facial details remain defined, while brightness and shadows hold balance. Results feel authentic, giving selfies clarity and character without exaggeration. In low light, the Xiaomi 15T shows maturity with clear details and restrained noise. Textures across buildings, streets, and indoor corners remain visible, while shadows maintain shape and highlights are brightened without overexposing. Colors retain accuracy, producing tones that look balanced and authentic rather than forced. Across varied lighting, from harsh street lamps to subtle indoor glows, performance stays consistent. White balance adapts smoothly, exposure remains controlled, and images preserve depth across the frame. Even as a high mid-range, the Xiaomi 15T captures night scenes with clarity, steadiness, and a cinematic character, making results feel natural and reliable. Zooming into night scenes, the Xiaomi 15T maintains clarity across distances. At 2x and beyond, details remain intact with sharp lines and steady exposure that avoids crushing shadows or over-brightening highlights. Noise is handled well, giving zoom shots stability even handheld. Color tones stay consistent through ranges, ensuring continuity from wider frames to close crops. With balanced textures and defined structures, the Xiaomi 15T's zoom performance in low light delivers dependable results, adding reach without sacrificing the natural tone of the scene. The Xiaomi 15T records 4K video at 30 or 60 frames per second with HDR10+ support. Dynamic range stays wide, white balance feels steady, avoiding shifts, and stabilization keeps handheld shots smooth and professional. Colors are tuned for accuracy, textures stay defined, and audio records with clarity. Altogether, footage feels polished, cinematic, and ready for both quick social clips and creative storytelling projects. The Xiaomi 15T features a 6.83-inch AMOLED panel with ultra-thin bezels, presenting an uninterrupted canvas. A 1.5K resolution with a 120Hz refresh rate keeps content crisp and responsive, while touch sampling rises to 480Hz for instant feedback. Peak brightness reaches 3200 nits, holding clarity even under harsh studio lighting. HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision enhance every frame, while TUV certifications ensure comfort during long use. Yeah, Corning Gorilla Glass 7i protects the surface, providing scratch resistance and durability to match its immersive cinematic viewing experience. Xiaomi 15T is equipped with stereo speakers. Yeah, the dual speakers on the Xiaomi 15T deliver balanced stereo output. Dolby Atmos and hyperos certifications lift the sound experience, keeping music, video, and calls full and clear.
She's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty ladder and a straight jacket round her waist. When she gets a bite, you better run, you better hide, better pray that you're not worth the chase.
Okay, I know you have been waiting for this segment. How's the gaming performance? Well, running on the Dimensity 8400 Ultra, built on a 4nm process, the Xiaomi 15T reaches clock speeds up to 3.25 GHz, and it is also equipped with a Mali G720 GPU. This setup ensures steady frame rates across demanding titles. LPDDR5X RAM with UFS 4.1 storage shortens loading times and keeps switching smooth. To sustain long play, Xiaomi's 3D ice loop system draws heat away from grip zones, helping the phone stay cool and stable. Powered by the newest version of hyperos, the experience feels fluid with fast launches and responsive multitasking. Paired with Wi-Fi 6E, connections stay reliable during competitive play. Altogether, the Xiaomi 15T offers a performance package built for consistency and hardcore gaming. Well, Xiaomi 15T is powered by a 5500 mAh battery that delivers endurance and extends past a full day of use. Xiaomi's Surge G1 chip manages efficiency, keeping performance stable while preserving health. 67-watt HyperCharge powers the phone quickly, leading to a very short downtime. Well, time to wrap up. The Xiaomi 15T proves balance can stand beside strength. Slim, durable, and equipped with refined essentials, it offers a flagship experience in a lighter frame. I believe that if you don't need all those pro features, or if you have a budget constraint, then you may go with this Xiaomi 15T and you will never feel like you are missing anything. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Panther, ZXC, you know what it is.